there you go. We got it. The next one is up there.
That's where you might need the wobbly wobbly.
All right, this one's loose. Uh-oh. Finger tight. Look at that.
Yeah, just pull it up.
Torque to spec. I've been driving with a loose transmission bolt. It is. Torque to spec. What the fuck is this? Is that my breather? All right, you said 1 o'clock?
So that was your...
12, I guess.
That was your 11.
Okay.
12 is pretty much... there. The one that's at your 1 o'clock is the same height as that one, just on the very opposite side.
I feel it. I gotta get the other side.
You pretty much have...
So is there one higher?
Yep. There's going to be one at the 1 o'clock.
Oh yeah, I see it.
Is it loose?
No, it's tight. Do I get it from over here? You get like 20 extensions?
This is going to give me the best angles from this angle. I'm on it.
You are?
I either slipped off or I loosened it. I don't think I slipped off. 100% got it.
You fucking got it. About 30 turns left. All right, almost there. All right, I'm cramping up. Yes. That was torqued.
That was your very top one. Now you get 2 more. Those.
All right, right here. Look at that. Beautiful. So we got 2 left.
That bottom one in this bottom,
yeah, that's
right?
the last one.
Let's get this one.
This is the hard one right here.
With a little MAN.
There you go.
Bolts coming with it.
One more.
Yep.
I gotta take this sway bar.
You gotta take it off?
Yeah, 17 mil. Oh, spinning the internal.
Yep. Same thing. Is that loose?
Not yet. See if we can go up more. Oh, there you go. Okay. So, do we have a reference for forward? The nuts face forward. That's the reference.
This actually isn't too bad.
Ooh, it moved.
Yeah, I was tightening. I don't know where your bag's at.
Me neither.
Alright.
It's right here.
Here's where the dangerous part comes.
Okay, so I am going to stand by and move it aft.
You're gonna...
So this should be tail heavy.
Anything clearance-wise that we got to worry about, or do I need to lower it down?
I think we need to slide it back first.
Is there anything gonna hit?
No, we got plenty of room. All right.
Slowly grab this and slide it back. If you can have a hand on the jack, it's disconnected.
Okay.
Now it needs to go backwards still. Just sliding it back.
Okay, hold on. Let me fix this wheel. We probably should have done this before. Okay.
Hold on. I just need to go backwards.
Yes.
There's something...
You need a crowbar?
No, it's disconnected. You got a 2-inch gap off the engine already.
Very nice.
It's still connected?
Is it?
Because I can't move it.
Oh yeah, it is. Let me rotate.
But if you can disconnect it from the from the muffler, if it's an O2.
I can't fit my hand. Hold on.
Whatever this is disconnected. I don't know what this last one is.
That cable, I'm moving it.
What is it?
It's the O2.
Can you? Is it connected?
It's connected.
Can you disconnect it? So
Give me some slack.
Okay.
Gotta find the magic button. Found it. Pick.
Yeah, nice breeze coming in. A little bit of thunder. Probably gonna be a fucking quick shower.
All right. Wash our tools. Get them all nice and rusted. I see a bikini line.
Whose?
On the sensor. That means it's coming off. Bro, this is really hard. There you go.
Whole harness is on my side. There's no wires going over the top.
Fucking
The
beautiful.
only thing that I see is the cable, and that's held on with an Allen screw. Here, cable. I think I just put it in park.
Don't worry about it.
That's the only thing that's holding tension is your cable.
Okay. Yeah, it's just a stiff cable. All right, that's set up so that it'll just fall off. Let's continue.
Just gotta go backwards without pulling it off of the jack.
Let me make sure the transfer case. All right, getting on the vehicle. No, we're good. What'd you find?
No, I just pulled the cable down. The broken end and your flywheel are intertwined.
Could be. No, I'm spinning the torque converter a little bit. All right.
Is there any?
Oh, it's a transmission. It's the dipstick.
It's tripping over.
This one's a 2-piece. It comes out from.
Oh, the shorty in the middle?
Yeah, dipstick out. Now to the tube. Stop. Stop. It's not on you, right?
No, I'm not holding it.
Okay.
We just need to go back like 7 more inches.
7? We don't have that room.
Fucking cardboard just cracking.
It's gotta be.
It's raining.
What should we do?
Well, we kind of can't leave it sitting.
Unless we put a jack stand.
I mean, you could. A little more, almost there. You got a 1/2 inch. I wouldn't go anymore. Can we twist? Slower.
For real, man.
I'm clear on the back end.
Hold on.
Clear on the back end.
Yeah, we're good. It's going down.
A little bit more.
I might hit the studs, but the studs don't matter. Going down. Clear.
I got this bracket that can definitely come off and make a light a little bit easier. It has this plastic on it that was holding your wiring harness that is literally just chilling here. It's a 10 mil.
Is it still connected to the vehicle?
It's connected to the transmission.
Oh my god. Right there. It's hitting.
Can you go down with it touching like that?
Yes.
Slow as fuck.
Okay, watch your hands.
Don't forget your drill is gonna hit the bottom of your transfer case.
That's cool. Going down.
Keep going.
Okay. Going down?
Can we go backwards a little more?
Not yet. Almost like a 1/2 inch.
Go ahead.
Go back. Oh, another 1/2 inch.
I mean, that's further away from those lines that's making me comfortable, so.
Going down. Woohoo!
What's that noise?
I don't know.
Backwards?
Yes, sir.
To the ground.
Okay.
Slowly.
It's all you. For real. I got it.
Yeah, I got the brunt of your.
Coming down.
I'm holding it. Yeah, see if you can flip it towards you. That it?
Woo! That's it. Success! Check out this Bluetooth flywheel. Ooh. Look at that. That is terrible. Damn.
Yep. That's why.
Can you give me to find out? So these 6 bolts that I'm gonna take off, allegedly one of them is different. Yes, sir.
Milwaukee.
2, 3,
Better? Show off your exhaust and shit too.
4. This looks like it's different.
Is it different size or?
I don't know. So far they're all the same size. Here's the last one. What is this?
That's all dirt.
Is this from Tahuya?
Dude, that's all dirt. That's not part of your wheel.
Bro. This from, what's that? It's your
Yeah.
steering wheel.
That center section that's on your, is that center piece part of your,
Yep. Give me some light.
Big, gonna be,
Big impact.
well, the,
One more.
There should be a shim, yeah?
2 of them.
One on the back side, one on the front side?
Yes, sir. Right there. Oh, they're keyed. The back one is. Oh, no, they're not. Oh, it's keyed to the crank. Yep, that.
Yep.
Right there, like
That
10
and
o'clock.
it's double.
Okay, so pin
Double.
towards the engine, the bowl towards the back, and then this one is not keyed,
Which the cleaner side is.
and it's also,
I would mark it because you're probably going to clean it.
well, it has a lip. The lip faces the transmission.
How's the rear main look?
It's pretty dirty. All right, what do we need to tape up? Is that it? Oh,
Connector.
this connector right here.
I need more. You ain't give me enough. A little bit more so I can get the center.
There's the stupid transmission sensor, the temperature sensor, transmission return line, and this is the transmission feed.
That's a bolt missing.
What the fuck is this?
A little extra
Yep.
clogged. It's a breather, so it's a cap. It ain't gonna fucking go in it. Water?
All right, you got water.
Can't hit an air bubble. That's your oil pump on your transmission. The bolts that you see on this housing, that's your oil pump. There's a
I
thing
see
in
the
there,
seal, yeah.
Input and the flange.
Oh, okay. Very nice.
That's where your starter comes in.
Mm-hmm.
A little bit of transmission fluid came out of that, but not much, so that's good.
That's from removal, huh?
Yeah.
There's a little drain, a little tattletale.
That's for your rear main.
Yep. Or that one.
Ready?
Go for it.
See how that cleaned up?
Got a brand new truck now. Look, rear main seal, brand new.
It does look brand new.
I don't even got to replace it now.
Man,
Nope.
that's up to you. It looks phenomenal.
Now I'm good for another 22 years. Alright, so at this point I'm just doing a walk around on the transmission for documentation purposes and also so I can refer back to this video. Model number 30 Tech 40 LE 35,000 3D 550 98 HR 128.67 89.80 20.
This rear main seal looked actually amazing. It was leak free and all the sealant was still intact. I don't know how old this rear main seal is, but it really didn't matter. I already had ordered a new one to replace it.
$67 and $71. Alright, so Flexplate or drive gear is torqued. Today's a new day. My battery died when I was torquing it, but this is what I did. Alright, so this tool I had ordered it a while back for my Volkswagen. And let me show you what I did. I don't need the bolt. I don't need this nut. So what I did is, this is the original bolt that secures the transmission to the engine. Put that there, put the spacer, put some washers, and then I thread it in right here. Thread it in all the way, and then slide this, and you're gonna lock it to a tooth. Let me put the spacer on the other end. I think I did it like this. But you thread it in. I can't spin it, but there we go. So you thread it in, and then you use this little locking tab, get it on the tooth, and then when you use a torque wrench and you torque it down, it's going to want to spin the engine this way, which is the wrong direction to rotate the engine. It rotates this way. Alright, so that's what I did. I had this tool, I didn't have to buy it, I already bought it like maybe 10 years ago, so that's what I did. So if you don't have this tool, you're going to need a second person, go under the engine and counter hold the crankshaft with the breaker bar or something similar.
Alright, so now removing this plate that is called the control retainer. It is secured with 4 bolts and it has a paper gasket. I clean it off and then I reseal it. Keep in mind that underneath this control retainer that I'm holding, there is an oil deflector that you have to seal. I didn't seal it because it was still glued with the original gasket.
13 foot-pounds or 156 inch. Alright, reposition the jacks so I can have the front end a little higher.
So at this moment I prepped everything and tried to install the transmission as much as I could alone until I needed to call my friend and help me with this extra set of eyes. So at this point I was just wrestling and trying to get the transmission to mate to the back of the engine, and then the lower dipstick that's a part of the transmission oil pan was in the way. It was also bent because we kind of bent it on the way down, So this was a little setback, but we got it straightened up, and then we eventually installed the transmission. At this point, we are hand threading all the bolts of the transmission. Slowly creep up closer to the engine.
Are you supposed to tighten them in through the starter window or this bottom axis?
The bottom axis.
And then we eventually move to installing the torque converter bolts to secure it to the flex plate.
Okay, let's proceed with the bolts, the top one.
Yep, that last top one, and then I guess whatever torque. Yeah, good.
And then, so if you open the chapter, it's like a table of contents, the transmission chapter. Now, towards the bottom, look for A340F, the transmission. It should be the last one.
AT24.
Yep, go there. And then you'll see a picture of the belt housing with the starter.
5VZ.
Alright, 53 foot-pounds. Bro, this fucking torque wrench, it's a low tooth count. There you go.
Now that everything's sitting at the proper angle, we should be able to spin that torque converter and flywheel. Or not the flywheel, torque converter freely. To line up.
You know, I almost don't want to torque these.
Because I'm saying is, are you going for the top one, or are you going for that second one?
Second. This is number 5. I mean, I got to put a lot of force.
Still one more below that.
And it's still, huh?
One more below that one you just did.
I already got that one. It's the top one.
Oh, so you're just gonna do the very top one.
Uh-huh. And I see you. Nice. Not nice. You okay?
I'm okay, but
What the fuck?
it clicked, but that broke off.
Bro, how do you do that?
I wanted to verify the click.
Where's the...
It's still up there.
Okay.
I'm about to grab it, but I'm just saying that broke. I don't know how much that is, but I'll buy you a new one.
No, don't worry about it.
I wanted to verify because I was like, is that a false click or was that the actual click?
That's what clicked.
I heard you say nice, and I was like, all right, that was it. So
Wow.
the pin that goes across is going.
Oh, so it's still good. It's just a pin. So we can
All right. So that torqued.
Sure did. This is the O2. This is the park neutral. This is the transmission temperature. This goes over the right side. This, I don't know. I know where it goes. I don't know what it is. This goes there. And then this one goes there. Okay, everything's making sense. Torque converter. Here's any hardware right there. I'm gonna look at the torque specs.
All right, I'm gonna have you spin it, so I see a bolt hole.
So at this moment, we couldn't rotate the engine by hand. What we messed up is that when we initially installed the transmission to the back of the engine, we torqued the transmission.
God.
What we should have done is loosely install the transmission to the back of the engine and then install the hardware to the torque converter and torque it down to the flex plate and then torque the transmission to the engine. A little setback, but we figured it out and we fixed it and we got it back and running. So my camera died and it's now approximately 9:30 p.m. The front drive shaft is installed and torqued. Same thing with the rear drive shaft. There's a couple of connectors that still need to be connected. The engine still needs oil, but I'm still letting the rear main seal to cure a little longer with the engine dry, and also the transmission oil pan still needs oil, which I'm going to do in the morning.
Sway bar bushings are new. There's one of the old ones. This is the good side. Never mind. And then the other side, who knows where it's at. Oh, here it is. This is the good side.
That's it. See you in the morning. Alright, so it's Sunday, July 9th at the time of recording this video. The vehicle now has engine oil, transmission oil, everything's connected, buttoned up, and right now I'm just test driving 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive high, and 4-wheel drive low with the locker on and off. And everything was good to go just in time for my event that was happening this morning.
Straps aren't strapped up yet.
Alright, thanks for watching. Check out the next video if you want to see me drive at the Academy.